What is going on, YouTube? This is actually going to be my first video. This is mainly just to test out the water and see how this goes. So here it is. Bought an iPhone 17 Pro just recently. Got it 2 days ago. Of course, gotta get a case to protect it. So I bought a brand new case from a brand that I've used before. ANDAR. Leather case, pretty good on hand. I always like how they feel. The button clicks nice. I'm going to show you this case right here. This is my 15 Pro that I've used in the past 2 years or so. This is the ANDAR case that I bought 2 years ago. It was in stone gray color, and this is how it looks like after a year or so. Disclaimer, I did get this case replaced once because the button on the power button actually had a crack. So they were willing to replace it for me for free, and I remember I had to pay shipping for it. So this is a stone gray for the 15 Pro from ANDAR. This year, I bought a 17 Pro in the deep blue color. Right here, a little bit closer. Still a little bit funky with the camera lens cut out, but hey, that's the new design, right? So, the case that I bought, ANDAR again. Decided to go with them again because I haven't had it in a while. So here we go. I bought the navy color. I hope that in frame you can actually see it's more like a navy color, because in my naked eyes this is more like a deep blue to me, or I should say deep green to me. Just to quickly swap over it, 17 Pro navy. Ooh, can you zoom in? Perfect. Here we go. So just a quick look on the case itself. You'll see the texture on the back. Let's see, shines it right through. Buttons all in black color. Same as the power button. I do like that the black, bracket design right here. So we're just gonna pop this thing on here. See how that looks. Pretty tight fit, I would say. I think I do like it. I was hoping a little bit more in the blue color side than green, but not mad at the combo. So here we go. Just a really quick video about a case that I bought, and hopefully I'll show you guys a few more videos in the future. And again, here we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Any questions, leave a comment below, okay? Thanks. Bye.